Hi everybody, welcome to a little prep and pack with me for Asia. Before we get properly into the video, I thought I'd give you a little overview of our travel plans so far. So tomorrow we're heading from London to Bangkok. It's not actually a straight flight, we've got a stop in the middle. We're going to spend a couple of weeks in Bangkok and then fly to Koh Samui. I've always said Koh Samui and I found out recently that it's not actually how you say it and it's actually Koh Samui. We're going to straight away get a boat up to Koh Tao before we spend any time in Koh Samui, and we're going to spend some time in Koh Tao, do some scuba diving and then go over to Koh Phangan for a few days and then back to Koh Samui for a few days there. Then after that we fly up to Chiang Mai for a month. I'm super excited to visit Chiang Mai because I've heard such good things and I've never been. To get to Cambodia we have to fly back to Bangkok again and then we head over to Siem Reap. That takes us to early August and then we have yet to plan from there.
There's something about the way that you say my name.
I bought this microfiber towel. They're supposed to be really good, like quick drying, they don't weigh a lot, they don't take up much space. But then I thought, well, I'm still gonna need like a beach towel or a pool towel and then a gym towel, like I've got like a little gym towel. So then like I'm taking all the towels anyway. Honestly, I have such a feeling my case is gonna be overweight. This is gonna be interesting. Let's see how it goes. I've got my case down here. This is like my beach towel, it's huge. Don't really know how best to do this. I think I'm just gonna put it in as flat as possible at the bottom. And then the gym towel is gonna go at the bottom as well. Packing is so long, honestly. I wish I could pay someone to just like pack. Imagine if that was like a full-time job. A full-time suitcase packer and they just come to your place. I'm sure that's probably a thing, right? Like they just come to your place and they pack the best you've ever seen and they make the weight. That would be amazing. I wanted to buy so much new stuff to go on this trip, right? But I was like, no, I have to have discipline. I don't have the money to get a whole new wardrobe and all new bags. I mean, I bought one new bag, but the beach bag, it still works. It's decent. It's quite nice. It's like one of those straw ones, so we're going with it. Always, always, always pack in your hand luggage as if you were going to lose your suitcase. So I always take spare underwear now and travel plugs and everything I need and my chargers because my suitcase has gone missing numerous times and we have a transfer and we only have 2 hours 45 minutes. So if our first flight's delayed, we are in trouble. I just feel like when you have a connecting flight, there is a high probability that your case is gonna be delayed or go missing, or not even go missing but just be delayed. Waterproof backpack cover. This is my main big packing cube. This one has all my tops and my my dresses. All my tops and my dresses are in here. See, this is pretty heavy itself. And also, I weighed my case before I started packing and it was already 3.5 kilograms with nothing in it. Like, that is a joke. I only have 20 kg, that leaves me with 16.5 kg. I feel like this is like 5 kg. I had loads of these packing cubes and I just don't know where they went. But this is my second packing cube. Those are bras. This is a little bag I bought because I wanted a little black bag that I can put over my shoulder, a little cream one, so then I've got one for like all outfits, and then yeah, so these will be like my everyday bags and for going out in the evening. And then if we're going on like a trip, I'll take my backpack, but just for like beach or pool, I've got the beach bag. So I've got 4 bags. I don't know if that's overkill for like digital nomading, but that's what I'm going with for now. Lost half my packing cube, so I've put all my shorts in a Tesco bag. Love that, very classy. So this is another packing cube that has my pajamas and some more like undergarments in there. And then I've got 2 toiletry bags. I didn't really want that many, but I had to buy the first aid kit, of course. I bought some of these. I never use these usually. Like, I usually use the repellent. These are mosquito bands, but they had really good reviews. So I'm hoping that they will work for when we're on the islands because I have no doubt there's going to be so many insects that are going to try and bite me. I've got an umbrella. Okay, I actually feel like I have packed most of it. I'll show you what it's looking like now anyway. So this is probably the most untidy case you've ever seen. It's like neat underneath these plastic bags. Look, you've got the packing cubes in there, but my shorts and stuff are in this bag. And this is all the like toiletries and pharmacy stuff. I've got another bag under there. I decided to take that bag out. I'm going to put it in the top of the case with the shoes. So this is the top of the case. I've put my shoes in here. I've still got one more pair of shoes to put in here and another bag that won't weigh much. I'm not ready to put my makeup bag, but I thought I'd put it in because I'm going to do the dreaded weigh-in. I am so scared, honestly. So I'm going to shut that and I'm going to weigh it. So I'm actually in shock right now. It's somehow not overweight. I mean, I've still got a little bit to add to it, but I am so relieved. I was so sure it was going to be overweight.